and welcome back everybody. So I have decided that I am going to rip into this. So without further ado, let's rip this beastie open. Alright, let's hope for some good luck with this one too, guys. Come on, that Withering Torment card that I need. Well, I guess only time will tell when it comes to that. Right, so I don't need to take the posters out. I just need to grab deck box and the spin down counter. And then I can put this back in the box like so. Suppose I can show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just gonna tuck that tab into there, like so, sealed, and it can go and sit up there with the other ones. I'll show you what I mean by other ones, but just not tonight. Right. I think what I will do is I might just test a bit of a sound effect here. So this is for you guys. Thank you for coming back to the channel, and thank you guys for watching the videos. They seem to be going up in view rates, so that's good. Thank you guys very much. Just please remember to subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. There's more to come from the channel, guys. More to come. I'm going to try adjusting this music a little bit because I noticed in the last video that it was actually pretty low and you couldn't really hear it. So hopefully we can do something about that for you guys. Maybe that's a bit too loud, but I will see in the editing. All right, here we go. So we have the Nightbear Bundle Beastie cards in there. Come on, that Withering Torment. The 2 collector boosters. The 6 play boosters, which I am going to put one aside, as you know, house rule. So tonight we're going to open these 5, these 2, this 1. I've also got running my scanner, so I'm going to be scanning them at the same time. So once again, thank you all. Please remember to subscribe with all notifications on. Like the videos. Let's show that YouTube algorithm who's boss, eh? Come on, guys. I know you can do it. Right, let's crack into it. The first card we have, Scorching Dragonfire. Just going to move that out of the way. Into Living Phone. Into the Insidious Rat. Cryptid Inspector. Vanish from Sight. Glimmer Burst. Malevolent Chandelier, Cathartic Parting, Scrabbling Skull Crab, Gremlin Tamer, what's this one? Unholy Annex, and Ritual Chamber, into a Split Up, a Peculiar Lighthouse, Untimely Malfunction foil, into a Glimmer token. So pack number 1. Didn't see anything in there that I didn't already have. Oh, and I forgot to scan them. So let's quickly do that, eh? I'll just quickly do that. You guys can... Alright, won't take long. That's 1. Alright. that scan, but it was more than one. Alright, it's not liking that card, so no, we're going to skip that. Fine, let's crack into it. Oh yay, an art card. So I need quite a few of those for my collection as well. So in one of the upcoming videos, I'll actually show you my Duskmourn collection. Alright, we have Turn Inside Out, Fear of the Dark, Bashful Beastie, what do you have there? Underwater Tunnel, and Slimy Aquarium. Emerge from the Cocoon, Anthropede, Murder, Fear of Isolation. Oh, what's this one? Painter's Studio and Defaced Gallery. Into a Brood Spinner. A Root-Wise Survivor. Oh, nice. The Swarm Weaver. Okay, I don't have that card, so that's good. And then we have Etched Cornfield. Into Balemerk Leech Foil. Oh, and I've got the gold signature of this one, but I don't have this one, so nice. So that's 3 cards out of there that I'm not sure of, so that's all good. Alright, pack number 3. Okay, so we've got a manifest token at the back. Alright, Acrobatic Cheerleader is card number 1. And then we have another, what's this, Ticket Booth, Tunnel of Hate. Balemerk Leech. Spine Seeker Centipede. Erratic Apparition. Hardened Escort. Grand Entryway Elegant Rotunda. Fear of Failed Tests. That's that Insidious Fungus. Lionheart Glimmer. Dashing Bloodsucker. Ooh, Dissection Tools. Island. Into a shiny or a foiled Derelict Addict Widow's Walk. And then an Insect Manifest token. Right, 2 play boosters to go. Thanks for hanging in there, guys. Alright, the first card we have in this one is Ticket Booth and Tunnel of Hate. Another Balemerk Leech. Spine Seeker Centipede. Erratic Apparition. Hardened Escort. Bear Trap. Trapped in the Screen. Split Skin Doll. Defiant Survivor. Inquisitive Glimmer. Betrayer's Bargain. Toby Beastie Befriender. A foil forest card. Cautious Survivor foil. Into a Glimmer token. I think there might be one card in there that I don't actually have. I think it's that Cautious Survivor foil. But of course I will check all this out before I do anything else after this. Alright, last there, unless I know I've got another art card, eh? Alright, last play booster, here we go. We have a Creeping Peeper. Acrobatic Cheerleader. Ticket Booth and Tunnel of Hate. Final Vengeance. Spine Seeker Centipede. Clammy Prowler. Frantic Strength. Stay hidden, stay silent without the creature. So that one I'm not actually sure of. I don't think I've got both of those. Ethereal Armor. Fear of Exposure. Nowhere to Run. And then we have a Kona Rescue Beastie. Strangled Cemetery. Piranha Fly. Well, that's pretty trippy, but I think I've got it. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Very nice. What's that one called? Demonic Council. That is nice. Alright, well, there was a couple of cards out of there that I don't think I've got, so come on, cards, you need to make it worth it, because I was definitely considering about like putting that aside and not opening it. But of course, the draw of the cards got too much. So, yeah, here we are. Ooh, almost dropped it. Oh, wow. Alright, here we go. First collector booster. And we have Cautious Survivor. Resurrected Cultist. Sorry, I was just losing myself in the foilness. Twist Reality. Scorching Dragonfire. Anthrapede. Intruding Soul Rager. Glimmer Seeker. Scrabbling Skull Crab. Beastie Befriender. Oh no, it's Beastie Beatdown, sorry. I'll get it right. A Plains card. Balustrade Worm. Rendmore Creaking Nest. Come Back Wrong. Charred Foyer and Warp Space. Toby Beastie Befriender foil. Which I don't think I've got the foil, so that's good. So I'm going to put that over there. And we have a Treasure Spirit token. Ooh, what to open next? I don't know. I'll save that till last. Like, let's do this last collector booster and then crack that little beastie open. I don't want to get my hopes up. Ooh. Almost ejected them out. We have a demon token. That's pretty cool. Trophy. Alright, we have Winter's Intervention foil. Ticket Booth and Tunnel of Hate. Fear of Lost Teeth. Wary Watchdog. Piranha Fly. Optimistic Scavenger. With the guy in the back. So I don't actually think I've got that one. Saw. Wildfire Wickerfolk. Diversion Specialist. A Forest card, of course. Enduring Courage. I do like that foil. Oh, nice. Seance board. Oh, I definitely don't have that card. Overlord of the Mistborns. The Mind Skinner. That's a trippy card. Definitely don't have that one. Overlord of the Flood Pits. Wow, I don't have that either. Sweet. Alright, well that's a good sign leading into this one. Come on, that Withering Torment. Then I've got all 6. What are my chances? Oh, I should have got it up before I do it. I'm going to kiss it. Mwah. I'll get the machine to kiss it as well. From you guys. Mwah. Right, let's go. Come on, Withering Torment. You owe it to me. Right, here goes nothing. 2 cards. Let's flip over the first one. Goyu's Revenge. And Exhume. So no Withering Torment for me. There's still 2 nice cards though. And of course some of the other cards that I didn't have, so damn it. Still, I need that Withering Torment card. Well, thanks again for coming back to the channel, guys. Kind of disappointed by that, but never mind. I will come across that Withering Torment card one day in my travels. Still not a bad opening. Can't complain. Can't complain. Not sure if I really am too glad that I opened that or not, but I guess I'll find out. I mean, I am glad that I've got some of those cards because I didn't have them before, so that's always a bonus. Always good to add to the collection. But yeah, it's all good, all good. Right, catch you on the next video, guys. Thank you for tuning in to Dark Lair. Wishing you guys a safe and happy day or night wherever you are. It's the night here, so gonna wind down, make the video to go up on YouTube, and yeah, see what happens from there. So catch you guys around. Stay safe, be kind to others, and we'll see you on the next Dark Lair adventure. I don't know why I called it adventure, but hey, why not? Alright, catch you guys later on. Bye bye.